Hello everyone, good day. Today I will be talking about starting your own advocacy practice as a lawyer. Advocacy is the art of presenting arguments and advocating for clients' rights in a court of law. Starting your own advocacy practice can be challenging, but it can also be rewarding both financially and professionally. The very first step in starting your own advocacy practice is to have a clear understanding of your legal niche. This is very important because it will help you to focus your efforts on a specific area of the law where you can build a reputation and develop a client base. This niche can be based on your interests, experience, or even a particular area of law that is in high demand. Once you have identified your legal niche, the next step is to create a business plan. Your business plan should outline your goals, marketing strategies, target clients, and financial projections. It should also include a description of your legal niche and how you plan to serve your clients in that area of the law. To get your advocacy practice off the ground, you will need to invest in a few key resources. These resources include office space, office equipment, legal software, and a website. You may also need to hire a support staff such as paralegals or administrative assistants. Marketing is a critical component of any business, and advocacy practices are no exception. You will need to develop a marketing plan that includes advertising, social media, networking, and other strategies to attract clients to your practice. In conclusion, starting your own advocacy practice can be a challenging but a rewarding career path. To be successful, you will need to identify your legal niche, create a business plan, invest in key resources, and develop a marketing strategy to attract clients with hard work and dedication. You can build a successful advocacy practice that serves the needs of your clients and the community. Apart from this, I'll also list you out some benefits of being a lawyer and starting your own advocacy practice. Personal satisfaction of helping clients with their legal needs and achieving successful outcomes, financial stability and potential for high earnings, opportunities to specialize in a particular area of the law and develop expertise, flexibility to work on your own schedule and manage your workloads, to work in a variety of settings including law firms, government agencies, and non-profit organizations, to work with diverse clients from different backgrounds and cultures, to network with other professionals in the legal industry and build relationships, to travel for work, attend conferences and seminars, and meet new people, new individuals, and interact them, to be intellectually challenged and engage in legal research and writing, to work on high profile cases and make a significant impact on society, to work in different areas of law such as civil litigation, criminal law, immigration law, and more, to work on pro bono cases and give back to the community, to work with other lawyers and collaborate on cases, to become a leader in the industry and make a difference in the field, to work with cutting edge technology and legal software, to have a voice in shaping public policy and making a difference in society, to mentor and train young lawyers and make a positive impact on their careers, to work with experts in other fields such as doctors, engineers, and scientists, to develop public speaking and presentation skills, to work with international clients and engage in cross-border transactions, to learn about different legal systems and cultures around the world, to work with different levels of government and make a difference in public policy, to work on cases that have historical significance and contribute to legal precedent, to build a personal brand and reputation in the legal industry, to have a fulfilling and rewarding career that makes a positive impact on the society. These are just a few of the many benefits of being a lawyer and starting your own advocacy practice. So, alright guys, thank you for staying connected throughout this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more updates.